Hey there, hey there. Well, I thought I would pop on real quick today and share with you one of our most popular items, which is our kits. So we have tons of kit collections. Some are card making kit collections, some are home decor. We're coming out with some scrapbooking kits. I mean, all kinds of fun. So today I thought I would share with you a new one. Come in a box like this. I think they're always so fun. They're almost all of them are all inclusive, so nearly everything you need is inside except maybe some scissors, right? So this one is called Happy Houseplants Kit. It's one of our home decor kits. And so we're gonna make one of them today. So you'll see in the box comes this piece here, which we'll get to in a second. And also comes a stack of 4 of these white frames. Let me open one of these up so that you can see. You can hang them on the wall. You can set them out since they have the backing on them, but they are ready to go. They're 6 by 6, so what's nice about these is if you didn't want to use them for the kit pieces, you could do any kind of home decor item using our 6 by 6 paper. So kind of fun, right? And then inside comes the Happy Houseplant Kit. So if we open this up, you'll see it comes with the Stampin dimensionals. So these are the foam adhesives. It comes with the mats so that you can mat up, right, your design in the frame. And it comes with all of these fun backgrounds first, and then all of these laser die cuts to create our Happy Houseplant images. And then it comes with an instruction sheet. So look at this, an instruction sheet that gives you all of the step-by-step pieces, all of the instructions with pictures on how to put all these together. So of course, you could do it any way you wanted, right? You could go rogue and create them in your own designs. You could flip them over and make the back your very own as well. So I think we will do design number 2 here. And so you can see we've got our pictures here. So we need this piece. We're going to need some of our punch outs here. So let's find those. We need one of these fun leaf pieces. We need our hanging basket, which is right here. So look how easy, they just pop right on out. And it tells us that what we can do on here is take a bone folder, you could take a pencil, I mean anything, and you can take these Happy Houseplant leaves and just kind of curl them. So if you don't have a bone folder yet, you can just go ahead and grab maybe a marker, a pencil, anything like that. So we're just giving it a tad bit of dimension here. And then we're gonna take these dimensionals and we're gonna stick them on the back of our hanging basket here. Let's see, it says to put 3 of them. So we shall do that. And you just peel the backings right off. They're really, really easy, simple, and how fun, right? I love these because these are some plants that I don't need a green thumb for, right? So we're just gonna stick our hanging basket right here, just like so. And then we're gonna take our leaf piece here. We're gonna add some more of those dimensionals. So these we're gonna put just along the top here. That's what it shows us on our directions. Okay, and then we will peel the backings off of this. And then we're gonna add these right above our hanging basket. No watering required on these plants, right? So these are just gonna just line it up, and there we go. We have our piece. And so then we just bring in our frame here and open this up. Pull off the backing. Oops, I missed one here. The bottom. There we go. So we'll just pull that right off. You can leave the tempered inside for this purpose. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my mat in. So we've got our mat. Stick that in. We'll stick our design in and then put our backing on. How cute would these be for like gifts or party favors? Could decorate the table with them, right? And then there we have our beautiful design, and it'll go right under that clear once you peel it off, right? Or you can just leave it like this. You could put it on your desk. It could sit there as just a fun little image. You could personalize it, add some bling, all kinds of things. But I love our kits. They are one of our best-selling items right now at Stampin' Up! Because everything comes inside, right? Effortless crafting. You can do them on the go, take them with you in the car. I mean, all you really need is a pair of scissors usually, and everything else is included. So I thought I would just show you that today, feature one of those easy peasy ideas, and you know, home decor, that's fun, right? So we can create our own. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for kitting together with me.